Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. I'm really happy to have you here because today I'm starting a new series where we can learn and practice English together in a simple and comfortable way. In this series, we will use a method called shadow practice. Shadow practice means listening carefully to a sentence and repeating it in the same way, with the same rhythm, tone, and flow. It is a very helpful way to improve your speaking skills, build confidence, and become more fluent in English. This method is especially useful because it helps you speak more naturally without translating every word in your mind. In this session, we will talk about a daily routine, just like a normal day in life. You will listen, you will repeat, and slowly you will start feeling more confident while speaking English. There is no hurry. Take your time. We will go step by step together. All right, let's begin. Morning routine. I wake up early in the morning. Try saying it with me. I wake up early in the morning. Now once again, a little more naturally. I wake up early in the morning. After waking up, I brush my teeth. Let's go together. After waking up, I brush my teeth. Now in one smooth line. After waking up, I brush my teeth. Then I drink a glass of water. Take it slowly. Then I drink a glass of water. Now try it comfortably. Then I drink a glass of water. I go for a short walk. Try this with me. I go for a short walk. Again, smoothly. I go for a short walk. After that, I take a shower. Let's speak it gently. After that, I take a shower. And once more. After that, I take a shower. Breakfast time. I have my breakfast at 8 a.m. Repeat after me. I have my breakfast at 8 a.m. Now say it naturally. I have my breakfast at 8 a.m. I usually eat healthy food. Try it slowly. I usually eat healthy food. And again, I usually eat healthy food. Work/study time. I start my work at 9 a.m. Join me. I start my work at 9 a.m. Now in one smooth sentence, I start my work at 9 a.m. I check my emails and plan my day. Break it gently. I check my emails and plan my day. Again, I check my emails and plan my day. I focus on my tasks and avoid distractions. Take your time. I focus on my tasks and avoid distractions. Once more. I focus on my tasks and avoid distractions. Afternoon routine. I take a short break in the afternoon. Say it slowly. I take a short break in the afternoon. Again, smoothly. I take a short break in the afternoon. I have lunch with my family. Repeat gently. I have lunch with my family. Once more. I have lunch with my family. Evening routine. In the evening, I relax for some time. Let's say it calmly. In the evening, I relax for some time. Again, in the evening, I relax for some time. I like to read books or watch something interesting. Follow along. I like to read books or watch something interesting. Again, I like to read books or watch something interesting. Night routine. I have dinner at night. Repeat slowly. I have dinner at night. Again, I have dinner at night. Before going to bed, I spend some time on my phone. Take it step by step. Before going to bed, I spend some time on my phone. Once again, before going to bed, I spend some time on my phone. Finally, I go to sleep. Say it softly. Finally, I go to sleep. Very good. You did really well today. Even if it felt a little slow, that's perfectly okay. This is how real learning happens, step by step, with patience. You can come back and practice again, and each time you will feel more confident. If this session helped you, I warmly invite you to follow the channel, like this video, share it with someone who may need it, and subscribe so we can keep learning together. Take care, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next session.